Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add favorite channels on your Roku TV. So to set a channel as favorite, you just open the channel options menu, okay? And then you select your favorite channel and you can repeat this for each channel. Okay, you want a favorite, so you just use these steps, right? Open the channel options menu, select manage channels, then select favorite channels, and go ahead and press on OK to check the box next to any channel you wish to favorite. And as you move down the list, just pause for a moment and your Roku device will switch to the channel for a quick preview. That is a pro tip for you. You can go ahead and use, okay? But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.